Java, what the hell are you doing? Hey, Java, there's no fish in there. Cat making a swimming pool on the floor.
Oh, man.
Hey. Look at that.
Are you taking a shower or what?
He's emptying the entire water can.
Oh, man. Oh.
You're supposed to drink water, you retard. Okay. Almost the entire water jug's empty now. Yeah, look, now you got wet feet. Whose fault is that, huh? There he goes again. Damn, Java.
Oh,
Zion, come look at this.
Oh, shit.
I told you. Look at this.
Java, what the heck? Dang, this guy.
Oh, man. You flooded our floor.
Oh, man. Taking a shower? Let me take you to the bathroom so you can shower.
Oh, I was going to see if you emptied the whole thing.
No. Damn.
Hey, stop it.
Crazy cat. Dang.